So guys, a lot of you have been asking about First Majestic and what I think about it. I did a video last week saying that I think it looks like we're starting to get some bullishness into it, because we've got like this double bottom and looks like we're starting to get like this small little divergence, and it wasn't really divergence. And I said I'm looking for a bullish entry in this one here for myself. So guys, I want to show you what I see with the First Majestic. So let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright guys, so let's actually get straight into First Majestic. A lot of you guys have been, I know one of my private clients, you're probably watching this right now. Justin, I'm talking to you, got into First Majestic here, and some of you guys are probably thinking about the First Majestic. I did a video last week saying, you know what, we're getting a double bottom, getting bullish divergence. This is actually looking real strong. I expect to see a lot more upward movement, and I'm looking for a bullish entry. I didn't say I was going to get into, I was going to get into First Majestic, because I'm looking for a proper entry. Now, guys, as I said before, always go back to your peaks and troughs, the highs and lows. Go back to what is going on with that, right? And that's all you want to see. So guys, if you're looking to get into First Majestic, to give yourself the better chance of doing well, let's go back to basics here, shall we? What are we going to see here? Let's go back. What do we see here? We have a peak. We go down, we have a trough. Don't worry about the small peak. Look at the last few months. We have this trough here. We have a peak. We have a low trough. We have a, what do we have here? We have a lower peak. This is now a double bottom. This is now a what? A lower peak. Is there anything there to say that this isn't a bullish trend? No, right? Now what are we going to confirm down here? We're going to confirm a lower trough. Who's in control of this thing? Right? Sellers. So guys, here's the most important thing. In a downward trend, the most important thing you want to be keeping an eye on for is the peaks. Are we continuing to make lower peaks, and lower peaks? If so, then that is what you want to see. If we get a rally back up and we start to break above, say 13, we hold here and we rally back above 13, then as the market comes down, if we create a nice little high trough, this is where, guys, right here is where I'm going to be entering, because I've now got a higher peak, higher trough. Guess what? Higher peak, higher trough, buyers in control. So I'm not looking to get in now. I'm waiting for the market to turn around. I'm not trying to pick the bottom. Don't ever try to pick the bottom. Right, guys? And if you're trying to get in the First Majestic and stuff like that, you know, don't buy First Majestic now. It's the market, the charts are telling you it's going down. Right, so guys, again, something simple is look at the highs and look at the lows and try to read the chart. You got a trough over here, right? Try to read the chart and what the chart is actually telling you, and then get into it. Right? Let's actually go back over here. Let me squeeze this right back over here and let me show you what I see here. So what do you see over here? Actually, you know what? Let's actually just bring up that weekly chart to make it a little bit better. You'll be able to see here, right? So let's go back over here and let's look at this. Let's look at the weekly chart here. Before this whole move took off, what did we actually see? Right, you can see, let's actually just do this here, right? And again, I'm just looking at simple charts. We have a lower peak, we have a lower peak, we have probably sideways, lower peak, we have a peak, we have an equal peak, we have a lower trough, we have a trough, we have a trough, we have a trough. This here is actually a false breakout. And you guys, if you're looking to get bullish, as you can see, right, this time here when it broke this peak, as I was saying just a minute ago, like right now, as it broke this peak, this is where you want to start to look to get in, right? Because we're now breaking the trend. And then guys, trading the markets, becoming an amazing trader is all about putting the whole picture in. If you're looking at this weekly chart here, and you can see, okay, we've had this major trend line coming down here for the last couple of weeks, and you can see we had this. Let me actually just do this green here. Let me actually do this green. You can see green. We see we had this one bottom here, and then we had a bottom here, and we had a bottom here, and we had a flush down below that, and then the market broke back up. Not only did it break back up, but look where it actually broke above. So what do we actually have here, guys? We actually had what? Let me actually bring this into circle. Let's actually go. We'll go red. We actually had a bottom, a false breakout, and now a close back above the previous peak, who's in control? Is this, you see how this whole thing was turning around here? Guys, this is when you enter in the market. You don't enter in the markets when the market is, you know, when you think it's going to be a good buying, or you're trying to pick the bottom. Don't try and pick the bottom. Don't be buying First Majestic right here. It's not a good time. I said the bullish divergence is showing me some bullishness coming in here, and I'm looking to get into it. I didn't get into First Majestic because there's nothing bullish about the charts. Read the charts. Don't read these fucking newsletters out there, guys. And what everyone else is saying out there. You know, even if I'm bullish on silver, guys, silver and First Majestic are different formations. Just because you think silver's going to go up doesn't mean First Majestic is going to go up, because look at the chart for itself. First Majestic, yes, it is a silver company, but the chart formation is completely different than silver. So trade First Majestic from First Majestic's formations only. And there is nothing bullish about this right now. And right now, guys, yes, on my video last week, I said, yeah, look, we're getting it. You know, it looks like we're starting to, you know, we're starting to get to this sort of like support level here right now. We're at this 50% retracements. Looks like we could get a little bottom here. Okay, cool. If that's the case, cool. Well, let's actually, you know what? So now we actually can see that. Let's bring up the daily chart now and look. Oh, look what's happening. We're still creating these low peaks, low peaks. Sellers are still in control. Don't be getting into this. All right, let's actually go red here. Go 5. Right, what do we actually have here? We have sellers, slow peak, low peak. Right, that's all you need to worry about. That's all you need to worry about. Low peak, low peak. Who's in control? Sellers. Boom, easy. Right? But then what you want to do, guys, is you want to wait for this to happen. If the market holds here and then rallies up, that's actually a bullish. That's actually a bullish scenario. If it does do that, why? Because what's actually going on here? We actually have what? We have a 1 bottom, a 2 bottom. If the market does rally up and rally back up to say 12, what could this be? This could be a false breakout, right? So that's a bullish scenario number 1. And then if the market then continues, going up, guess now what we're going to create? We're going to create a higher peak. Now, higher peak, who's in control? And what I would like to see, guys, what I would like to see if to wait for a really good entry is I would like to see if that does happen, then the actual market to come back down to this lower peak here, create a little support and actually bounce off it and start to rally up. Now what are we getting? Now we're getting a higher trough, a higher peak off this major level, and we got a little false breakout here, bullishness, and at the same time we also have this major line through here, which is a major weekly support line. Do you see how I build my trade? If I'm looking for a directional play, guys, I have everything in line. This is how you become a good trader. I hope this video helps you out. Do not buy First Majestic right here. Be a smart trader. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course. And I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.